mud flaps on the F-150. So you got your supplied hardware. I got rear mud flaps just for the rears. Pretty sturdy. Nice little embossed flag there, if you can see. And we are going to throw them on the F-150. The tires I have, or wheels I have, are 0 offset. So putting flares on here, I think the flares would stick out past the wheel, because they barely stick out anyway. I mean, it might be alright, but I like the look of the truck without flares, and I wasn't too keen on mud flaps front and rear, but these look pretty cool, so we're gonna give them a try. Really just putting them on the back here to save my camper that I tow, so don't want to get kicked up rocks into the front of the camper. So we will throw them on. Okay, the first step is to take these 2 little plastic clips out of here. So I popped those 2 plastic clips out there, then you slide these guys behind the plastic, line it up with the hole. You want obviously this piece facing to the back. Once you get those clips lined up, you take the supplied hardware, washer, bolt, washer, bolt, hold the flare up there, pass them through and get them started so it's loose. Alright, then you take this bracket and you slide it on in here. And then line that up with the holes and start snugging everything down a little bit and then adjust it to where you want it. I pulled mine all the way out this way to give it the most clearance. So we will do that. So washer, lock nut, then position it how you want. Start snugging everything down. Tighten all these up. It is a 7/16. And it looks like that. Pretty sweet. Good clear coverage on the tread. Nicely done. Like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Later.